Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, and we are back to our usual tropical weather analysis for this Friday through Monday, February 26 to March 1, 2021. And this English version is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat. Beginning today, Friday, until tomorrow, Saturday, we don't have any tropical weather systems across the Philippine Islands except for a weak easterly surface wind flow or easterlies, bringing some cloudy skies with isolated rain showers and thunderstorms across eastern Visayas, while the rest of the Philippine Islands will remain sunny with partly cloudy skies and possible afternoon or evening rain showers or thunderstorms, particularly in portions of the Visayas, Bicol region, and the Mindanao. And we have here a surface trough along the Kalayaan Island group in the middle of the West Philippine and South China Seas. So far, that's the latest from our end. We don't have any developing LPAs or tropical cyclone that may pose a threat to our country as we move towards March. And as we look at our fast animation, so you can clearly see here some cloudiness brought about by the easterly surface wind flow. Here comes a surface trough over Palau, and as we look at our zoom in satellite animation, here you go, those small thunderstorms across northwestern Samar and the eastern coastal areas of Masbate. So those are localized thunderstorms that could bring some rains and thunderstorms over that area, while the rest will experience some good and pleasant weather. But there are times of some light showers brought about by local heating. And as we look at our rainfall accumulation for the next 24 hours, some light showers will be expected across northern tip of Luzon, the Bicol region, eastern Visayas, as well as northern and northeastern Mindanao. And for the next 3 days until Sunday through Monday, some possible thunderstorms will be expected over the eastern coastline of Isabela, also here across eastern Leyte and southern Samar, and some portions of northern Mindanao, as well as the Davao city area. So there could be some thunderstorms for the next 3 days. And as we look at our rain, wind, and pressure forecast from the European model courtesy of windy.com, by tomorrow afternoon, some possible rain showers and thunderstorms will be expected across northern Mindanao as well as the northern part of Zamboanga del Norte. Possible showers and thunderstorms as well over Negros Island and Camarines Norte. And as we move it on Sunday, increasing thunderstorm activity can be expected across most parts of Mindanao, particularly over Davao area, and over also across some isolated areas of the Visayas, Mindoro, northern Luzon, and some parts of the Luzon, including portions of the Bicol region. So far, that's the latest from the forecast courtesy of ECMWF. Before we leave you, here's the latest tropics hazards and benefits outlook from the Climate Prediction Center of NOAA. As you can see here, on week 1, February 24 to March 2, some possible above average rainfall will be expected across northern Luzon, but this is on medium confidence or moderate levels, so it's currently at 50% chance that we may see some rains and thunderstorms here. The rest of the country will remain normal or neutral conditions with some break from the northeast and easterlies. And on week 2, valid March 3 to March 9, some above average rainfall will be expected over the Celebes Sea south of Mindanao with 50-50 confidence chances that it will happen. So far, it's all clear for the next 2 weeks across the Philippine Islands, some normal conditions with still possible showers and thunderstorms due to the ongoing La Nina phenomenon. And there you go. That's the latest for this evening of Friday, February 26, and we'll be returning again on Monday to give you more update on the weather. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #weatherwiser. Happy weekend to all, and thank you so much for watching our channel.